sure.
Can you individuate?
Oh, I had EDX here to do anything.
We don't have a gold-darn E to hell X, Eddie.
Oh, look who forgot their chill pill this morning. Excuse me. Come on, I'm all over this thing now. Okay, we're talking, some kind of shellfish or something.
Oyster shells, maybe?
Could be. Definitely. If I had to bet on it, I'd say it was sure.
All right, I got it. The oldest asbestos sites are coming up now.
When the Woolworth building was being built, workmen found the body of this rich industrialist, Calvert Soames. Been kidnapped the year before, shot in the head and buried in what they thought was white sand, turned out to be oyster shells, crushed oyster shells. That's what they used as landfill in Lower Manhattan. That's how Pearl Street got its name. That's where Miss Rubin's going to be, somewhere downtown. She's going to be underground. She's going to be in a basement near